Welcome back to the channel. Today we are tackling a challenging dynamic programming problem, minimum cost to merge stones. This is often classified as a hard-level problem on coding platforms, but we will break it down step by step. Here is the problem. You are given an array of stones, where each number represents the weight of a pile. You are also given an integer k. You must merge exactly k consecutive piles into one. The cost of a merge is the sum of the weights of those piles. The goal is to find the lowest possible cost to merge everything into a single pile. Let's look at a simple example where k equals 2. We have piles 3, 2, 4, and 1. If we merge 3 and 2 first, the cost is 5, and we are left with piles 5, 4, and 1. Next, we could merge 5 and 4. The total cost accumulates with every merge. The order matters significantly for the final answer. Before we start coding, we must check if a solution exists. Every time we merge k piles, we remove k piles but add 1 back, so the total count decreases by k minus 1. If the starting number of piles minus 1 is not divisible by k minus 1, we can never reach exactly 1 pile. In that case, we should return -1 immediately. You might be tempted to just merge the smallest available piles every time. This greedy approach fails. Merging small piles now might create a large pile in a bad position that forces an expensive merge later. Because local decisions affect future costs, we need to explore all possibilities using dynamic programming. We will use interval dynamic programming. The idea is to take a large range from index I to j and split it into smaller subproblems. We solve the smaller ranges first, find their optimal costs, and then combine them to solve the larger range. We define a 2D array, dpij. This represents the minimum cost to merge the stones from index I to index j into the smallest possible number of piles. Ultimately, for the full array, we want to merge it into exactly 1 pile. To calculate the value for a range, we iterate through possible split points. We split the range into 2 parts, a left part that forms 1 pile and a right part that forms the remaining piles needed. We take the minimum cost among all splits. Finally, if the current range can be merged into 1 pile, we add the sum of the current stones to the cost. The time complexity is O of n cubed divided by k. We have 3 loops, for the length, the start index, and the split point. The split point jumps by k minus 1 steps, which optimizes the runtime. The space complexity is O of n squared for the dp table. To summarize, always validate if a solution is possible first. Use interval dp to break the problem down. Remember to use prefix sums to calculate subarray sums quickly in constant time. And pay close attention to your loop increments to ensure valid states.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.